Good morning. Today is April 14th, and today's refinishing project is located in Castro Valley, California. All right, so today in Castro Valley, we have 3 separate fixtures and 3 separate bathrooms that we're going to be doing. This bathroom, we have a standard size bathtub that is super filthy and it's pretty worn on the bottom, and there's rust by the overflow. So this one definitely needs attention. The tile surround, they're keeping this round, it's in good condition. So we'll be doing the bathtub in this bathroom. All right, let's go look at the next bathroom. All right, so in this bathroom, we have a shower pan that is also really bad. It's a fiberglass 3x3 pan. They're keeping the tile in this bathroom. We're finishing the pan and installing new shower doors. Yeah, so this pan is really bad. All right, we'll be refinishing this pan as well. Let's go look at the other bathroom. There's a bathtub in there. All right, so this is the other bathroom. The bathtub in this, we're gonna be doing this bathtub in this bathroom. Just extremely filthy, just really bad, really bad. Same type of tile throughout each bathroom, and they're keeping the tile in here. So 2 bathtubs and a shower pan at this property here in Castro Valley. It's going to be a 2-day project, 2 full days. First day we come in and fully prep the units, and then we follow up the second day, another full day, and we'll refinish all of the fixtures. All right, so this is the project here in Castro Valley, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.